Alright everybody, welcome back to the Driveway Engineer. Today we're going to fire up the Jewel. I got fuel in a 5-gallon bucket. I got my Tunerpro Vets deleted PCM. I got my Junkyard engine with all my Junkyard spark plugs, except for one. And my Alibaba harness and my Amazon spark plug wires. And this battery that I liberated from my brother-in-law's Jeep like 3 years ago, and it's been in Darrow for a long time. And my not fuel injection clamps and my not fuel injection hose. It'll all be fine. It's fine. So we're going to give it some fuel. There is a little bit of a leak in the pickup. I already pressure tested this. Once you hook the wires up on the Alibaba harness to the starter, there's only one constant hot, ignition hot connection to the PCM. So we're ready to go. What are you doing? Here, hold this. Go over there on that bucket. See the little red wires?
Yeah.
Something crazy happens. Pull them out. Okay?
I think so.
Thank you for pulling them out so quickly.
Nothing crazy was happening.
Too bad he wasn't home.
Right.
There's a little oil leak from the, there's no dipstick. I don't know where the dipstick went. It's around here somewhere. But, it's running a little crappy, but it'll be alright. There you have it. Looks like it all works as intended. And like I said, there's a little oil leak from the lack of a dipstick. And I sent it to like 5,000 RPM a bunch of times. But yeah, that'll never work. So here we are. Next week it'll be on the dyno. You guys will see what it makes. I'm sure nothing. Can't possibly. And that's really it. Jewel's pretty much wrapped up. I'm gonna find the dipstick. I'm gonna clean up all this crap. It's 4:30 in the winter in Michigan, so it's almost dark. And thanks for watching, guys. And if you have any questions, be sure to hit up the Facebook group, and there'll be a link to that below. I have a link to all the stuff I used below in the description. And we'll see you next time on the Driveway Engineer. Bye.